What's up, Super Squad? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So yeah. Okay, there's a new update in the game, and the bouncy block returned, and my friend here already bought it. What the heck? It's not even bouncy. So yeah, I got 300 gold from AFK grinding, so I'm going to buy the new bouncy block because it's a return. Holy heck, we get 30. Alright, I mean 50. Okay, we got the bouncy block. Let's see it. Bouncy block. What? Wait, he doesn't know. Oh, yep. Also, we're recording. Also, we are recording. Also, we are recording. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. I get it. I know. Okay. Thanks. Do you? What? Okay. Anyways, let's see the bouncy. What does this even do? Sheesh. This is not bouncy. Why the heck are we not bouncy? This isn't bouncy. Wait, isn't bouncy. Where's my jetpack? I got just something. No. Nope. Okay, let's go. Also, there's a new stage if you guys can see that. Whee! It is definitely bouncy. It is definitely bouncy. Whoop. Wait, never mind. Okay, it is definitely bouncy. The bouncy block is definitely bouncy. Okay, dude. We already seen the new stage, but let's go check it out for you guys. Let's go check the new stage out for the viewers. Let's go check out the new stage for the viewers. I call shotgun. I call dibs on driving. Yee. Yep, he's got the purple jet. So I'm driving. Yeah. What? Okay, Super Squad, I'm back. I had to cut the video, but yeah. So, okay. Bruh. Anyways, load your jet. Maybe. Load jet. Load jet. Whee! Eh. Eh. Legit. Beep. Oh. Lol. 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 La 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 la. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Dum dum dun 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 dun. Okay, let's go. Whee! Awooga! Turning red. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Okay, not that time yet. What? What? Whee! Alright. Okay, we are here. So this is the new mushroom biome. Oh my goodness! Jesus Christ! Good thing I had a jetpack. Oh my god! Dude, what the heck? Dude, what the heck? Dude, what the heck? Heck. Meow. Meow. Anyways, let's see this new biome. Bruh. Okay, so there's a bridge here. I don't know why there's a bridge, but there is. I mean, you can't get up there because there is none of that. You need a jetpack to get there, which I think a lot of people have. No, my what? What the heck? What the actual heck? What the heck is this? I'm going through it. I'm going through. It leads to nowhere. It's so early in the morning. Oh, Jesus Christ! I'm gonna reset. Dead. Ow. Ouchie. Anyways. Join yellow. Yellow. Whoa. I don't know, bruh. Naked. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Alright, whatever. Meow. Rawr. Sorry, don't. Okay. I'm doing it. I just clicked it multiple times. Bruh. What the actual heck? What the? Yo, what the actual heck? Bruh. What? A mushroom biome in a mushroom biome? This is just crazy. A mushroom biome in a mushroom biome. A mushroom biome in a mushroom biome. Biome. full. So weren't you gonna? So weren't you gonna show me and the viewers how to get purple jet? So weren't you gonna show me and just bruh, just bruh.